Hi, my name is Afan Rajan Mevekre. I am from ETC Banai. Today I am talking about Weinbridge oscillator. How to design a Weinbridge oscillator using a problem.
So we have to design a Wien-Bridge oscillator. So it has a specification as follows. The frequency of oscillation is 10 kilohertz. Output voltage is 5 volt. VCC is 12 volt. RL is 1 kilo ohm, and we use transistor BC147 with which has a power PD max 0.25 watt, VCE max 45 volt, ICE max 100 milliampere, HFE is equal to 200, and HI is equal to 4.5 kilo ohm, and VCE is equal to 0.3 volt. So as this first of all, this we have to draw the circuit diagram as follows. So it has two transistors required, T1 and T2. T1 has R1 R2, as similarly T2 has R3 R4. T1 has a collector terminal, has a capacitor C1. T2 has collector terminal capacitor C2. uh, Collector resistance is RC2 as well as RC1. So we have to design first R1 R2, similarly R3 R4. R1 is similar to R3 and R2 is similar to R4. RC1 similar to RC2, then and so on. So at the second point we have to select selection of Q point. Selection of Q point. So in this, the VCEQ, which is equal to VCC upon 2, which is 12 by 2, 6 volt. So as they so we have to, so our let ICEQ is equal to 1 milliampere, and Q point at 6 volt comma 1 milliampere. Calculation of RC and RE. So we have to first find VRE, which is voltage across resistance RE, which is 10% of VCC. So 10% means 0.1, and VCC we have 12 volt as given, 12 volt. So VRE is equal to 1.2 volt. So third parameter is completed. So after this VRE, we have to choose VRE. We have to find out RE. VRC divided by ICEQ. So VRC, which is equal to VRE. So it is a 1.2 divided by 1 milliampere, which is 1.2 divided by 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So VRE is equal to 1.2 kilo ohm. So we have finded RE is equal to 1.2 kilo ohm. So we have to find RC. So as per given diagram, VCC is equal to VRE plus VCEQ plus VRE. We have to find VRC. This is the VRC, voltage across RC1. So VCC, this total is VCC. VCC is equal to VRC plus VCQ plus VRE, voltage across RE, VRE. But we have to find VRC. So VRC is equal to VCC minus VCEQ minus VRE. This equation is derived from as per given circuit diagram. So but VRC is equal to VCC minus VCEQ minus VRE. So in terms of VCC, VCC minus VCEQ minus VRE. VCC we have 12 volt, VCEQ has 6 volt, and VRE is 1.2. So VRC is 4.8. In there VCE and is in there VRC. So we have to find RC. RC is equal to VRC divided by ICEQ, because current in both is same. Then it is equal to 4.8 kilo ohm. So RC is equal to 4.8 kilo ohm. So let's start with fourth parameter, which is fourth is calculation of R1 and R2. For better stability, we have to consider S equal to 10, and then R2 is equal to SRE, S into RE. So in that RE we know that, then 10 into RE we have to find that 1.2 kilo ohm, which is R2 is equal to 1.2 kilo ohm, 12 kilo ohm, sorry for that. Then we have to find VB is a base voltage, which is equal to VBE plus VRE. So 0.7 plus 1.2, we have calculated VRE as 1.2, and VBE is 0.7 because so VBE is equal to 1.9 volt. Then after that 1.9 volt, then after that VB is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VCC. So 1.9 is equal to 12K divided by 1. R1 we have to find, then plus R2 is 12K into 12. VCC has our 12. Then R1 is equal to 63.78 kilo ohm. So our fourth parameter is completed. After that, fifth is R3, R4, RC2 and RE2, which means it has a second stage R3, R4, RC and RC2. Similarly as R3 similar as R1 and R4 similar as R4. R4 similar as R2. It is same for both cases. It is same for both stages. Okay. So sixth parameter is overall gain, which is sixth parameter is gain, total gain, which is AV. AV is equal to AV1 into AV2. That we have to consider the feedback network. So calculation of feedback part we have to consider. So we know frequency of oscillation, we have 2 pi RC, 1 upon 2 pi RC. So we know frequency which is given as 10 kilohertz, but we have to find RC. So RC is equal to 1 by 2 pi f. So then 1 upon 10 into 2 pi into 10 raised to 3, 10 hertz and 10 raised to 3 kilohertz over 2 pi. Then we is RC is equal to RC, total RC, capital RC. This is the capital RC, okay, 15.9 micro units. So RC is equal to 15.9 micro unit, but we have to find C. So first of all we have to consider the value of R, but in order to avoid loading to the amplifier by the RC network, because of this R of feedback network should be high than the output resistance of the second stage, which is RC2. Output resistance of second stage, which is RC2, it has a high, it should be smaller than R. We know RC2 is equal to 4.8 kilo ohm. That we have to consider RC2 is equal to 4.8 kilo ohm. Then R is equal to 10 RC2, 10 into 4.8, which is equal to RC 48 kilo ohm. But if R is choose a large, it is very large, 48 kilo ohm. So C, capacitor C should be very small. Capacitor C should be very small. So we have to select R between 1 to 30 kilo ohm. So we have choose R is equal to 25 kilo ohm. After that RC, we know RC, direct we consider C is equal to 15.9 micro units divided by 25 kilo ohm. So value is 0.636 into 10 raised to minus 9. It has C, then it is a farad. So value of C is 0.636 microfarad. Then we have to find our last parameter as calculation of bypass capacitor CR. So eighth part is calculation of bypass capacitor. CR. Then we know XC. XC is capacitive reactance. Then XC is 10% of RE. XC is 10% of RE, which means 0.1. 10 means 0.1 per into 1.2 kilo ohm, as we calculated RE 1.2 kilo ohm. Then XC is equal to 120. So after that 1 upon 2 pi f CR. We know XC has a 1 upon 2 pi f C, and then there is a CR. C in that CR is bypass capacitor, is equal to 120. Then CR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi into 10 into 10 raised to 3. This is the frequency 10k, and in that 120 is XC. After that CR is 132.6 picofarad. So we designed the Wien bridge oscillator.
Thank you for showing my full video. Thanks for appreciating. I hope you will understand the concept of how to design Wien bridge oscillator.